Ekwirwa ya tandatu a uici wa ciringi milioni 72 iria ciairwo ciumia 2 hituku cia bengi ya Standard Chartered. Atatu ao mari maabitha a borithi ni makinyirio igoti-ini mbere ya mucirithania Francis Adai, kuria othe makanire thitango iria mangetheire ya uici wa kiahinya o undu umwe na guthukangia indo cia kambuni ya G4S. Mwena wa thitango ukiregana na kurekererio na bodi kwa ekwirwa ya tauria makuhoete kuhitukira wakiri wao Clifford Beta, ukiuga uthuthuria no urathie na mbere.
In the circumstances, the application to deny bond or bail is declined.
Kugerera wakiri wao ekwirwa ya ni merire igoti ati ni matungirio bara ya mwiri ni maabitha a uthuthuria kuria makuonagia mucirithania Adai nguraro iria mari nacio.
So when they ask you that the DCI wants these people to remain with them, then we are apprehensive now that they have even reported. Now that they have even reported against the actions of these officers. How safe are they going to be when they go back there?
Oho ni mongereire ati atatu a ekwirwa ya ni mahumbirirwo mitwe na maratathi ma minyore niguo maumbure kuria maigite mbeca ici, undu uria utumire Adai kwendikithia ruhonge rwa IPOA guthuthuria uhoro uyu.
Even says that they actually put some plastic papers on his face to suffocate him.
Allegations of torture may be taken up by the Independent Policing and Oversight Authority. You are aware of that authority?
Uyu ukagwitwo tariki 25 mweri uyu wa kenda. Ihoto cia mwekwirwo kana mundu munyite no nginyagia irumirirwo. Ucio niguo umauge wa mucirithania Francis Adai uria urathikiriria cira uyu guku akiuria ruhonge rwa IPOA rukorwo rugitabania uthuthuria wigie uma wa ekwirwo uyu gutungio bara ya mwiri ni maabitha a uthuthuria. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Njitagwo Maina wa Mwangi.